Mamma mia! Nah, cugino Alex. Tuo brother Alex. Thank you very much. I'm just vlogging out here. $4 for a pretty decent Bears hype, yo. And then, yeah, we got some people going crazy at the piazza. Shit's live. You guys playing volleyball or soccer?
Mixed.
Yeah, oh, it's mixed? Okay, right up. Oh shit. Oh shit, for real. Oh, you guys really are playing volleyball. You're going crazy out here.
Italian favelas.
Oh, this is the Italian favela?
Yeah.
Is that the cops? I don't got no hands, so I got the bear in the other. What are the odds? First day in Rome, stumble upon a favela. Damn, bro, this shit's sick. Ciao. Cheers.
You're a vlogger?
Yeah.
Belle, fai con belle ragazze.
Yeah. Yo, I
This
don't know.
neighborhood is called San Lorenzo.
Oh, San Lorenzo. Okay, yeah.
I
Okay.
do not want to be in the video.
No, you don't have to.
Wish.
You don't have to.
San Lorenzo. What is your name?
Alex.
Alex Piacere.
Pachetti. Yeah. Ciao. I didn't realize this is you guys speak English?
You're
And you're
in Rome now.
No, I'm just making some content. I don't really know where the fuck I am. This is my first day.
It's your first day in Rome.
What's up? Yeah, it's my first day.
Just take a seat, mate.
Yeah, it's my first day in
Do you want
Rome.
to put your nickname in?
Yeah. It's Aveadelli.
Are you?
I'm Italian. I'm Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I'm 97. I'm 97%.
Cheers, mate.
I live in Denver.
Which one is better, New York or Denver?
Denver.
Denver is better?
Yeah, Denver.
What for? Why?
Dude, the lifestyle is better. People are a lot nicer.
You like it here in Rome?
Dude, I literally just got here. I love it in Italy. Like I don't know about Rome. I was in Ventimiglia. You know Ventimiglia?
Yeah.
I was in Ventimiglia. I was in Bologna. I love Bologna actually. Like Bologna is probably one of my favorite places. I was in Sorrento. I was in Amalfi, and Amalfi yesterday. And then Positano, and then Pompeii. I did the volcano.
You explore Italy more than us, yeah?
Local shit.
Yeah, that's
I
pretty much
love the local shit. I don't like.
Ricci.
Yeah. I don't be snuffing ketamine, but I appreciate it. Like I was at a rave until 9 o'clock in the morning.
today.
No, like last week. Yeah, techno, dude. I was at a rave. I met this chick. How do you do this shit every day?
Still at the same grade. Like
Bro,
every day
I'm gonna show
raving.
you right now, bro. She's still there. I'm like, bro, did you ever leave?
Leak the fucking rave.
Bro.
Sta scrive su Instagram.
Yeah.
Ammazza che bomber.
Bomber.
Bro, she's still there. She's still there.
Like, yeah.
Really beautiful. She was the bartender there. Just you go up to her, some backyard shit. You pay power like $3 for a fucking beer. Dude, this is the only place I've ever been to where you could buy a beer.
Oh, chilla.
Hey, mamma mia!
No, non tocco.
Lick it. You won't. I thought that shit was a pizza, bro.
Yeah, someone just didn't.
Found out he was a crackhead, and he stayed all our vacation with us.
Dude, you gotta start your own YouTube channel. Yo, this dude went to Morocco, met a crackhead, and then just had a whole ass vacation with him. And then
With
what?
him smoking a shit ton of crack, and I didn't even know he was
You
a
were
crackhead.
smoking crack?
No, I didn't. He did.
Oh,
In front of you.
I felt like he lived in our
it just smells like burnt
Yeah, they were
plastic,
living
right?
at his place.
because I went for my 18th birthday. Like it was my trip
Oh
for
my
18th birthday.
God, dude.
And this crackhead just crashed in our place and just stayed all the time with us. And he drove us around.
And he also
He
came.
took us to see he was 50 years old. And he took us to see some incredible places. Like he had a family and shit, and he was staying with us, 18-year-old scumbags, and he drove us around. He took us to see some crazy local shit, but he was a fucking crackhead. Like one time he was smoking crack in the car, then he put the bottle under his seat and like talked to a policeman, for, like asking him directions and shit.
This dude's on a level, bro. This dude,
18th birthday.
bro, that's like a level like 18 for me. I feel like was like the craziest time.
Proof, you say you have girl everywhere. He's pull up in the proofs.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
And you know all the fucking names.
And yeah, okay, left her on red.
You covered the puke. Yeah, you could do it. You could do a trick. Yo, does he do tricks?
No, he doesn't. I don't think he does. He does.
You see that blue thing?
Aspetta, facciamo.
Yo,
He's gonna make it fly. He's gonna make it fly.
Wait, look, maybe he's
yo,
gonna make it fun here.
yo, that dude look like he time travels, right?
No, he shoots this
thing.
thing.
It's so much predictable.
I speak Italian, I speak language. Io te lo spiego perché sono tipo language. Ok. Sono tipo,
He said he's multilingual.
Sono tipo la persona che ti fa menage a tre. Io ti spacco il culo, ti faccio tipo la roba tipo italiano. Adora cold.
Yeah, I'm in Rome for the first time, getting stoned, smoking on this hash. I know it ain't homegrown, but it's bello. But I say, hello, baby girl, I just want to have a talk, but let's go on a fucking walk, go right to the park. But I got a fucking car, and it doesn't fucking start. Vroom, let's fucking go and fucking make some art.
Ok, non ho capito un cazzo, ma tu stai tranquillo che io ti spengo, perché su questa base io tipo a te ti appendo. Tu sei su San Lorenzo,
Don't even know what he's saying, but he's going
tipo
crazy.
sopra questa qui ti appendo, tu stai tranquillo, questa roba qua. Io sono italiano, anzi boliviano, ma stai tranquillo che sopra.
Yo, bro.
Hi!
Yo, bro.
My cock is 23 centimeters.
My Glock is 21 millimeters. Man, what's your name on YouTube?
Aveadelli. Aveadelli.
Aveadelli.
Aveadelli.
Aveadelli.
Text me, bro.
Aveadelli.
Aveadelli.
Text me.
Yo, we got Roman. Yeah.
Yo, you're
We
gonna
have the guy
follow.
right here.
Let's talk to me. He's
Yeah, he's gotta talk. Yeah, he's gotta talk.
I know. I'm drunk, but I understand. He's going to be the best streamer in USA and in the world. He's going to beat.
Why?
Remember this word. And John Cena. John Cena. John Cena. Ok, let's say hi in italiano. Succhio il cazzo. Hi.
Ciao.
No, succhio il cazzo è
Succhio
buona.
il cazzo.
Good night, succhio il cazzo.
Succhio cazzo.
Succhio
Succhio.
il.
Hi! Thank you very much, un attimo, bro.
No! Aveadelli! No, ferma che ok, Real 2.
Go crazy, dude.
Go Chris!
Hi! Send me hi!
Serve scetticismo in questa risposta.
È un'arte particolare.
Non serve scetticismo in questa risposta.
So come farlo e so farlo dal vivo. Parlo se piango non basta il collino, rinchiuso nel braccio un fratello, un amico. Ok, oh.
Aspetta, guarda. Look. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Ah, raga, noi rappiamo tutti i giorni.
Alright, yeah. I gotta find a way to eat a beer. Why am I there? Because I was born. I was popped out of the womb. And then I was just like, fuck, I gotta walk on these streets. I mean, and where else am I gonna go? I just wanted to learn more about my heritage. I'm Italian. I'm 97%. And I don't know, my family never really taught me Italian. My throat's all fucked up.
But your family is not there in Italy.
My grandparents are from
Can I ask you one cigarette, please?
Napoli.
Napoli. My grandparents are from Napoli. I bummed a cigarette. Look at me. I'm a fucker. I'm a bum.
Sei un animale però, Perché sta un po' maleducato.
Excuse me.
No, non ti
7 shot, Filippo! To you, to my bro Alex. Come on, take a shot, bro. Drop it.
Take.
Oh, wait. Vai, Filippo.
Cos'è che sono? Tutti e due sono per
Jager,
chiamare del capo.
Jager, amore.
Mica una male, sono miste.
Bella gang.
Raga,
Grande.
figa.
Non me lo
Grazie.
riprendere in
Al
faccia.
nostro cugino Alex. To our brother Alex.
Alex, this is for you, eh?
My guys.
Dai, va, ci potendo una palvatore.
Let's go.
Please.
No, ragazzi.
No, vabbè, guarda mio fratello Alex.
I appreciate you, bro.